Hello there, today we have Mr. Skeleton with us to help us remember the types of amputation of upper limb. So starting from above downward, if we remove the scapula and the clavicle and the whole upper limb, this type of amputation is called fore-quarter amputation, because as if we have removed one of all the four limbs completely, it's like we have removed a quarter of the total limbs. And as the limb removed is the forelimb, therefore it is called fore-quarter amputation. F-O-R-E, quarter amputation. Then we can do amputation at this glenohumeral joint. We can disarticulate this glenohumeral joint, and it is called the glenohumeral joint disarticulation or the shoulder joint disarticulation. Then we can do amputation through the humerus bone, and therefore it will be called transhumeral amputation or above elbow amputation. Then we can do amputation through the elbow joint by disarticulating it, and it is called elbow disarticulation. Then we can do amputation through the radius and ulna bones, and as the radius is the main bone, it is called transradial amputation or below elbow amputation. Then we can do amputation through the wrist joint and remove the hand, and just radius and ulna are left, and this type of amputation is called wrist disarticulation. Now the anatomy of the hand of our skeleton is quite distorted, so we will move to our atlas.
So we have a hand here which is already amputated at the wrist joint. Wrist disarticulation is done. The next amputation which we can do is through these metacarpal bones, so it is called transmetacarpal amputation. Then we can do amputation through these metacarpophalangeal joints, so it is called metacarpophalangeal disarticulation. Then we can do amputation at these interphalangeal joints, so it will be called interphalangeal disarticulation or phalangeal amputation.
Thank you so much, Mr. Skeleton, for helping us out. Goodbye.